Hey, what is going on YouTube family? It's your boy Gabe and welcome back to my channel. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and streetwear. So guys, what I have for you today is the 15th episode of the Streetwear Hunt series. So this is a series where I hunt for local streetwear brands and I feature them here on my channel. This is just my own way of trying to help out our local brand owners. So the brand that I'm going to feature for today is called Sweet Brag. So here's the item that they sent over, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank Sir Jules and the whole Sweet Brag team for sending your shirt over. Maraming salamat talaga, sir. I really appreciate all the support and salamat din sa tiwala. So before we proceed with the review of this product, let's do a quick background muna on what this brand is all about. Let's go. So guys, I asked Sir Jules to give us a quick background history on how the brand started. So ito yung sinabi niya. So he said, originally, it started in 2014 and we are located in Las Pinas. Dalawa kami ng best friend ko, tapos mga around 2016, nag-decide siyang umalis. 2017, tinuloy ko yung brand with my other best friend, pero hindi din siya ganun nagtagal. Until 2019, nag-decide akong ituloy yung brand ng mag-isa. So the meaning behind the brand name, medyo nakakatawa, is that wala namang deep or fancy meaning behind it. Sobrang fan lang talaga kami ng hardcore and punk music. Nakuha namin yung name sa paborito naming banda sa US. So mahabang story yun. So for me, yung Sweet Brag is my way to express my never-ending love for art and music. Also to support and promote yung mga local brands and tattoo artists natin, pati na rin yung mga skateboarders dito sa Pinas. So shout out to the co-founder ng brand, si Lucky Salonoy, Javin Vicencio, and Kim Ison. So there you go guys, ganun nagsimula yung brand ng Sweet Brag, and balikan ko lang ulit yung how they started. So sinabi niya dito is that nag-start siya with multiple friends on multiple occasions, pero umalis yung mga partners niya. And I asked him about it, kung umalis ba because may nangyari, may issue, and he said na wala naman, okay silang lahat, sobrang supportive pa rin daw talaga ng mga friends niya, yung mga nakasama niya nung simula hanggang ngayon. So even if hindi na sila 100% or hindi na sila part ng brand, si Sir Jules na lang talaga nagpapatakbo, todo suporta pa rin yung mga kaibigan niya. And I really like the background history of this brand. So it doesn't have to be like porket umalis yung friend, may issue na agad or nag-away, hindi ganon. So shout out to the whole group that started Sweet Brag, more power to you guys. Now that being said, it's time for us to move on to the actual review of the t-shirt. Let's go. So guys, here you go. This is the product that they sent over. I really like the packaging that they have. It's a frosted Ziploc bag. So props to Sir Jules. Thank you for providing us with reusable packaging. So for this review, if you guys are watching my Streetwear Hunt series, I use 4 categories to review our local merch. So the first category is the freebies. The second would be the material of the product that they sent over or yung binili ko. Third is the print and the tag, and fourth is yung fit niya sa akin. So later on, papakita ko sa inyo at the end of this video yung OOTD footage. So stay tuned for that. So let's start off with category number 1, which is the freebies. So ito guys, iba yung approach nila with the freebies. Actually, I really like it. So yung hang tag nila, tsaka yung freebie sticker nila ay iisa na lang guys. So makikita nyo dito, sticker siya, and siya na rin yung hang tag ng shirt. So very efficient in using your freebies. Maraming salamat Sir Jules for sending this over. So let's see kung ano yung sticker. So this is their skull logo ng Sweet Brag. Napakaganda ng kanilang graphics dito sa sticker na to. Actually dun sa logo nila, I really dig it. Sobrang linis ng pagkakagawa. So guys, I found out that there are more stickers na kasama dun sa packaging. Hindi ko lang agad nakita. So this is still part of category number 1. So they sent over 2 additional stickers other than the hang tags. So they have this, which is nakalagay at Sweet Brag, and nakalagay dun sa ilalim is prove them wrong. And also this one, which is their candy colored sticker, nakalagay dito Sweet Brag SWBR. I am excited to add this to my sticker collection. So all in all, they sent over 3 stickers. Thank you Sir Jules. Thank you very much for sending these over. Now let's move on to category number 2, which is the fabric. So here you go guys, check na natin yung material, which is the fabric. And while I'm checking this, gusto ko lang din i-point out sa inyo guys na lahat naman na nakuha kong local streetwear brands na t-shirt, lahat naman ng fabric is pasado. Hindi sila pantay-patay ng kabal. All I can say is that yung quality ng local streetwear brands natin is really up there now. And palaging panalo naman sa akin yung fabric na ginamit nila. And this is included. So, makapal yung shirt niya. This is not the thickest na nakuha ko, pero I really like the balance between yung comfort and yung thickness. It looks like the quality of this shirt is on point. So, props to the Streetwear team. You used a quality fabric. So, I really like it. Pasado siya sa akin. So, that being said, let's move on to category number 3, which is the tags and the prints. So, let's start off with the neck area. So, they have their Streetwear tag here, nakalagay Streetwear, and then yung 2 extra large, yung size mo. And when you flip it, nandito yung social media handles nila on top. Tapos nandito rin yung washing instructions. So at the bottom, nakalagay established 1989, General Trias, Cavite, Philippines. So I think yung 1989, this is their birth year ni Sir Jules. I'm not sure, Sir Jules, correct me if I'm wrong. Pero kasi 'di ba sabi mo 2014 talaga yung nag-start to, pero nakalagay niyo dito 1989. So I am assuming na birthday niyo 'yon. So I really like their tag. Maganda yung pagkakagawa ng kanilang etiketa. Nandito din yung logo nila ng Streetwear. So this is very simple, very straightforward. It works and I like it. So now let's move on to the neck tape. So you guys know, if you're really watching my videos, alam nyo na I really like printed neck tapes, and Streetwear did not disappoint. So nakalagay dito Streetwear, prove them wrong. And yung print nila on the neck tape is very legible. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-print. You guys did a good job. So kahit malayo, ma-distinguish mo na nakalagay dyan, Streetwear. Quality yung pagkakagawa nung neck tape. So look at that guys. This is why I like printed neck tapes. Even if it's just a small thing, kahit nasa loob siya, it really brings up the pogi points of the shirt. So here's another tag that they have. Nakalagay siya dun sa laylayan ng shirt, dun sa left side. Nakalagay dito Streetwear, SWBR, and may nakalagay na mini icon ng registered. So here's a closer look. This is plain and simple, straightforward. It works just like dun sa etiketa. So now let's move on to the second phase of category number 3, the front graphic. So here you go guys, this is their front graphic, plain and simple. This is their skull logo. I really like it. Very minimalist, malinis. Ang ganda niya pagkasuot mo siya. Kitang-kita mo talaga siya sa chest area. And guys, I am going to say that this is a good example of branding done right. So ito yung logo nila, ang ganda ng logo nila. So nasa prime spot pa siya, kitang-kita ng lahat. So na-advertise yung logo no brand itself. So good job Streetwear, good job Sir Jules. I really like this approach. And now let's move on to the last phase of category number 3, which is the back graphic. Alam nyo naman guys, I am the type of person who really likes large graphics sa likod ng mga shirts. Streetwear is also a brand that did not disappoint. Bang! Here you go guys, look at that. Napakalaki at napakaganda. Look at the graphic that they used. Ang lakas ng impact, pero at the same time, ang linis ng dating. So, we have here is their skull logo nga, katulad din sa chest area and dun sa etiketa. And nakalagay dito, friends, tattoo, music, and beer. The rest, Streetwear, premium quality, established 1989. I really love the whole look and feel of it. Ang ganda. Plus, hindi ko pala na-cover kanina dun sa fabric is that I really like the color of this shirt. I'm really impressed dito sa shirt na ginawa nyo. So guys, before we end category number 3, tingnan muna natin yung quality ng print. So as I feel it with my fingers, I can say na maganda yung quality ng print. Ramdam ko na siya from me feeling it out. So medyo madami na ako na test or na check na mga local brands, mga prints. And I feel like this is also quality. There are no breakage. There are no bleeding. Suabe at malinis yung pagkakaprint. Kitang-kita naman pagka niladlad mong ganyan, no? Kita mo yung print, ang linis, crisp yung lines. Wala nung parang nag-ghosting dito na parang hindi nalapat yung yung silk screen. May mga nakita akong ganung shirt way before, years ago. So there you go guys, one more look sa back graphic. Ang ganda talaga. Daanan ulit natin yung front graphic later, pero tingnan nyo, this is super quality. Here's the front. Ganda talaga. Oh, I'm excited to wear this. So guys, stay tuned sa end of the video. I will do an OOTD footage. So before we move on to the last category, check ko lang muna kung meron pa akong maiko-call out sa kanila. So far, wala pa ako nako-call out sa Streetbrag. Sobrang linis ng kanilang product. 2014 pa sila nagsimula eh. So medyo eksperyensado na sila dito sa larangan ng streetwear. So check ko lang muna and then let's move on to the fit. So there you go guys, wala akong makita mako-call out. Good job Sir Jules. This is one of those brands na wala akong na-call out dito sa Streetwear Hunt series na to. And I applaud you guys for doing a great job. So that is the end of category number 3. Let's move on to the last category, which is the fit. So suotin ko na siya ngayon guys and papakita ko sa inyo. In 3, 2, 1... Here you go guys, ito yung fit niya sa akin. This is 2XL, so hindi siya ganun ka-oversized compared to the other shirts that I got. So medyo fit siya, but at the same time, hindi naman siya yung to the point na parang bitin. Pasok pa rin siya dun sa gusto kong fit, dun sa gusto kong pagka-loose. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-loose compared dun sa ibang oversized shirts ko. Kahit 2XL na yung ginawa ko. So, this is a perfect example na sinasabi ko sa inyo dun sa tip ko every time na nagpo-post ako ng Streetwear Hunt series na huwag kayong magre-rely on the label. Always rely on your exact measurement. So, if you really want a specific fit, go ahead and get your measuring tape and measure your favorite shirt. Just take note na 2XL na to and it feels like nasa XL range lang siya. So, make sure that you measure yourself and when you order sa Streetbrag, ask for a sizing chart kay Sir Jules so that you will be able to order the exact fit for you. Alright, so wala na ako masasabi pang iba. Na-cover na natin yung mga categories. It's now time for us to move on to the last part, which is the OOTD footage. But before we move on to that, help your boy out because malapit na tayo mag 5,000 subscribers. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next uploads. So this is your boy Gabe. Enjoy the OOTD footage. I am signing out for now, but stay tuned for my next videos. Peace.